Hi guys, this is Pri. Welcome to our channel IELTS with Pri and Aman at IELTS Success Academy. If you are new to our channel, consider subscribing our channel and make sure to hit the like button and also share it with your friends. So in this video, we will be doing a cue card that is amongst the May to August 2024 speaking topics. So I had scored band 9 in my speaking test and I wanted to share some secrets with all of you so that you can achieve the same band score in your exam. So let's look at the topic. Describe a person who encouraged you to achieve your goal. You should say who the person is, how he or she encouraged you, what goal you achieved, and explain how you felt about this person. So as you all can see, there are 4 questions attached to this cue card and we need to make sure that all of these 4 questions are answered within the 2 minutes that we are given to speak. So let's look at a sample answer that I have created for you all. Encouragement plays a key role in our daily lives as it helps in unlocking creativity, increasing productivity, and boosting happiness. And today, I would like to talk about a time when my cousin helped me to achieve my fitness goal and educated me about yoga and meditation. So, as you all can see, instead of jumping directly to the first question, we have given the examiner a little bit of an introduction and also clearly communicating to the examiner what we are going to speak about today by using the phrase I would like to talk about. So, unlocking means to bring about, productivity means efficiency of work, and boosting means to increase. Alright, so let's continue. I vividly remember that last year, when my board examination results were declared, I became really upset as unfortunately I did not pass out with flying colors and was quite depressed. So, we have used an idiom here which is pass out with flying colors, which means to be successful. We are telling here that I did not pass out with flying colors, that means I was not successful. And using idiomatic phrases increases our band scores for a lexical resources part later on. Depressed means to be sad. Alright, so let's continue. Moreover, I was also not engaging in any physical activities and hence gained a lot of weight due to my sedentary lifestyle. So, engaging means participating. Sedentary means inactive, which involves very less physical work. That means when you are sitting most of the day and there is no physical activity that you are involved in. Furthermore, she made me aware of the immense benefits of yoga and meditation and how it could reduce stress as well as promote mental and physical relaxation. So, aware means to know about something, immense means lot of or great. Additionally, she taught me some easy yoga postures that I could practice on my own to get rid of my excessive weight, along with the regulated breathing patterns to combat stress and anxiety. So, excessive means extra, combat means to deal with, and anxiety means nervousness. Alright, so let's continue. Besides that, her training sessions continued for about a couple of months, and I was able to get in perfect shape because of her selfless efforts and constant words of inspiration for me. So, inspiration is again another synonym for saying encouragement or motivation. So, we have answered the first 3 questions. The last question, which is explain how you feel about this person, still remains. So, let's answer that. Finally, I felt on cloud 9 as she helped me to become fit as a fiddle while at the same time also contributing to my overall well being, and I expressed my gratitude towards her for mentoring me and inculcating positivity in me. So, we have used 2 more idioms here, which is felt on cloud 9, which means to be very happy, and become fit as a fiddle, which means to become fit and healthy. Gratitude means to be thankful. Mentoring means to teach or coach you. Inculcate means to fill you up with. Also, as you all can see, we used a lot of connectors here as well, like moreover, however, although, finally, and all these will increase our band scores for the coherence and cohesion part later on as well. As for our fluency and pronunciation, which are the other 2 criteria on which you are marked upon, we made sure that we were not taking any kind of pauses in between and we also made sure that our speech was clear at all times. We did not do any kind of or any kind of repetitions in between. So all these will also increase our band for a fluency and pronunciation part. Thank you for your time, everyone. If you did like this video, please make sure to hit the like button and also consider subscribing to our channel. Till then, take care and see you soon. Bye bye.